Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back another day with another unboxing, and today I have a special one. All the things that I'm going to unbox here are maybe going to be giveaways, so stay tuned.
Funky.
So, a short background story. A short while ago, I did an unboxing video of a Crep Protect compensation package, and they did not send what they were supposed to send, so I got in contact with them again, very unhappy, and sent a bunch of mail back and forth. They said that there was something not correct, yada yada yada. uh, they asked me for my phone number to call me. I said, yeah, sure, you can call me. And they called me, more or less used to call me a liar. So I got really upset. And then the next day they called again to apologize. And I was happy with that. So I said, yeah, nice that you apologize. That's it. Do you want anything? I have the orders to give you whatever you ask for, they said. And what I regret now, I said, no, I don't. I'm happy with your apology. So I don't need anything. So he asked me, do you want a sneaker bag? And I think, yeah, I can do a giveaway of a sneaker bag. I use my sneaker bags a lot, and every time I post a picture of them, people ask me about the sneaker bags. So yeah, you can send me a sneaker bag just for fun, so I can do a giveaway. And then I went to the site to check out what's new, and I saw that they had a suede reviver that I wanted to try myself. And then I saw that their sneaker boxes that I would love to have actually, but I can't replace them all. Even though they said we will send you anything you want, just say whatever you want. But I saw that they had a new one with UV, yeah, sterilization mode. And I love those things. I love UV light killing bacteria, etc., etc. So I got curious of it, but I want to do this as a giveaway, I think. And but what I got curious about was myself. I tried to protect my shoes from sunlight or light in general. So the sneaker boxes with light, will they make the shoes yellow? I'm curious about that. So I'm either going to do that, put them on, put a brand new pair of white shoes in them, and to see in 6 months if they had turned yellow or something, or I will do a giveaway. And then we have the leather conditioner that they forgot to send the last time. Um, I will give that away. We have the suede reviver. Yeah. And I'm curious about the suede reviver because it's supposed to give color back to suede that have been tanned by sun. And I'm thinking mainly about a pair of Porkies that I have, pink suede, that they are more or less just white today. So I'm going to try that and do a video about that, but then do it a giveaway. And then we have some more things that I didn't ask for. Okay, so another, all right, perfect. That's perfect. So another suede reviver. So I'm going to keep one and do a review video of it, and I'm going to give away one. Perfect. And then we have the power supply for the box, the sneaker box. And now to the sneaker bag. that looks exactly like the other ones that I have. Um, I have two of them. I've had a couple of them. Gave away one, and one of the reasons why I want to give away a new one was that I was so disappointed about the guy that I gave away the other one to. No thank you, no post tagging me, no picture showing that he uses the bags, nothing. And that has irritated me for a long time. So one of the reasons why I wanted to do a giveaway of the sneaker bag, instead of just giving it to somebody that I know needs it, is that I want to see if some of you know how to show gratitude. That's it. Because I think that the easiest thing for someone to do is to say thank you. And today with social media, post a picture. I got this bag from Sir Pierre. Thank you, Sir Pierre, and tag or whatever. Should I open it to show you? I have already seen the videos, so it looks exactly like the other ones I have. Just a much nicer packaging. The other ones I have, I can storage much flatter than this. And this, okay, so the feeling is a bit better, and we have the pegs on the bottom, but I think the other ones have that as well. But one thing I noticed right away that it doesn't have is the pocket that you can pull it over your other suitcase, your wheel suitcase. This one does not have that. So Crep, you should update your bags with that, because the other ones that I have is still the same pockets, front and rear. It's just that you have a zipper underneath as well, so you can put it over your handle on your roll-on case. So for that reason, I like the other ones better. But I like the feeling, sort of fake leather feeling. And the dividers in between, what I saw is that you can separate 4 sneakers in it. And this one you can also separate one of the boxes, spaces, half and half. But otherwise it's the same. So actually, Crep, the only thing missing is that extra zipper, so I can use the rear pocket and put my handle in between here. But otherwise, like it, nice feeling, absolutely looks more exclusive, looks better than the other ones that I have. I'm gonna post videos. Maybe I will keep this one to try it out, see how it looks with some pattern, and give away one of the ones that I have, because I only use 2 of them. And I have given away 2 of them, and I have 3 of them today. So I will only need 2 of them. Because when I go away on a weekend trip, I usually have 3 pair of shoes per day. But this is it. So sneaker bag, the 3.0 sneaker box, leather conditioner, and suede reviver. Comment, let me know why you need it, why you should have any of the products, and what product you want, of course. And it's yours. It's as simple as that. And Crep Protect, thank you for apologizing to me. Thank you for doing this. I should have asked for some more things, just to do some more giveaways, but I'm happy with this. So good of you to tell me you can get whatever you want. We are ordered to send you whatever you want. I like that. And one thing that I want to point out, that was before telling them that I was the first Crep Protect retailer in Scandinavia 10 years ago. And I weekly still get asked about Crep Protect products, even though I haven't sold Crep Protect products since 2017, I think. Yeah, 2017. So that many years ago. So yeah, I'm absolutely a Crep Protect ambassador still, even though I don't sell the product. So that was before telling them that, I had thousands of pair of shoes, that I'm a sneakerhead, big sneakerhead in Sweden. They still wanted to send me whatever I wanted, so I like that. I like the sneaker bag. I'm curious about the sneaker box with the lighting. I'm absolutely curious about the sneaker reviver, the suede reviver. And the leather conditioner I have already tried. But it's all yours. Let me know why.